Hi there, I'm Chris with Keto Chow. We recently introduced a new rewards program on our website, and I wanted to kind of go over why we did it, how it works, all that sort of stuff. So the reason why we made a change to our rewards program is the old system used discount codes or coupons, if you prefer, and they had problems with a lot of things on our site. They didn't work with other discount codes, like say you're a first responder and you're getting the GovX discount. You couldn't use that code in addition to your rewards points. So we switched to a different program that's actually using gift cards, kind of for a store credit thing. It works a lot better and overall has just been a win for us. So I'm actually going to log out of my account because I want to show you what it looks like at first. So when you come to the site, you've got this thing down in the bottom corner that talks about the rewards program. If you haven't ever been a member of our rewards program, our previous one, and you're just signing up new, it'll actually give you a $2 credit just for creating an account. Hey, cool. You also earn 5% cash back for all purchases that you make. And there's a referral program where if you refer someone to our site, they get a discount for 5% and you get $10 added to your rewards account. It's pretty simple, pretty cool. And it really is that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Now this is using my test account. It's Juan Paco Pedro de la Mar. When you first go to the account page, there is this View Store Credit and Rewards. On mobile, it looks about the same. You've got this View Store Credit and Rewards. It comes up, tells you how much your rewards are, and it also gives you this loyalty card code. And that code is important, and it's actually kind of sensitive information. If you were, say, for instance, doing what I'm doing right now, which is recording a tutorial video and showing off this code to everybody, you wouldn't want to do that because anybody could take that code, which, by the way, I'm going to reset as soon as I'm done doing this. Anybody could take that code, and that is tied to your account. And any new rewards that go into your account are tied to that number. You wouldn't want to give that to anybody unless it's like you share an account with, I don't know, a spouse or something like that, whatever. Because they could actually drain your rewards account and continue to drain it until you contact us and have us change that number. So don't give that number out. Don't have it in screenshots, any of that sort of stuff. Just a little bit of security stuff here. And then the same thing, it shows up here, tells you that you have in-store credit. And when you are on our site and shopping for stuff, let's see, let me go in here and get some electrolytes. I'm going to add that to my cart. And one other thing I want to note while I'm on this page is we do have the option to subscribe to stuff. The rewards store credit stuff unfortunately does not work with subscriptions. It only works with one-time purchases. So you can't sign up for the My Chow kit or the My Chow surprise kit. You can't sign up for any of the subscriptions and use the rewards. It only works for one-time purchases. But anyway, so we are here in the shopping cart. And one thing that's really cool is you wait a little bit. It's probably behind my head right now. Let's see, let me switch over to mobile instead. There's this thing right here that tells you how much store credit you have, and you can just click on that and apply the credit. It's actually that simple. The alternative is here in the rewards pop-up, you do have the code that you can copy. And you can go ahead and put that into any place where you see a place that you can enter a discount code or a coupon code. And it'll just apply it. It's actually really cool. Now, let's see, $42.50. That's probably because of tax. We'll have to look into that in a second. Now, one other thing that's important is that the rewards gift card, you can't choose to only apply a certain amount. It will try to apply the entire amount that you have on your rewards account. Like you can't say, oh, here's a $50 order and I only want to use $10 of my rewards account. You can't do that. Also, if the order total is more than your rewards account, well, then it will have you put in your credit card to pay for the difference. But again, you can't just use part of your rewards balance. You use as much as it can, or you use none of it. That's how it is. And you actually can use, if for whatever reason, let's say someone for Christmas got you a Keto Chow gift card, you could actually use that in addition to the rewards balance that you have. That works really well. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go to checkout here and show you what this looks like. Because the discount code, the gift card, it shows up as a form of payment, which is really cool because then it works in addition to any discount codes that you may have. And if you happen to be on mobile, the place where you find that is in the order summary up at the top, where it'll show, hey, you've got a discount code that you've added. If you haven't applied one yet, and it's funny, it doesn't know that I've already got it, and so it's wanting me to apply it again, but whatever. I'm going to go ahead and take that out, and I'm actually going to empty my cart because I want to show you, all of you, how it works with discount codes. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to go in here to the bundles, and I'm going to go to the essentials. And the essentials just happens to work with a discount code. It's $38 just normally, but you can save an extra $13 using this particular code. And this code may change by the time you view this. I don't know. Some of these prices may change. I don't know. But in this case, I'm actually just going to click on that because you think, oh, I have to remember. No, it puts it in. Anyway, and then I'm going to, in this case, I happen to have the gift card code on my clipboard, so I could paste it in there, but I could just hit the supply store credit. I just wanted to show you that, hey, look at that. You can have a discount code and the rewards points available on the same order at the same time. So I'm actually going to take that out again. And I'm going to come back here to my cart. I just wanted to show you guys one other place where you can get information about the rewards program. If you scroll down to the bottom of any page on our site, under account, you see rewards program. This page, if it isn't loading, it may be that you have a problem with a pop-up blocker that's keeping this page from loading. But this is the view that you get when you're not logged in. If it was logged in, it would say, hey, Juan, you have $45.50 of rewards cash. So yeah, you can join. Hey, if you haven't ever been a part of a rewards program, you get $2. Sweet. Shop, and you get 5% on all purchases. You can give 5% and get $10. Pop somebody's email address in there. Tell them, hey, check out Keto Chow. Hey, that'd be awesome too. And then there's some FAQs. So how do you use your credit? You can copy and paste that code or just hit the little apply button. You earn credit, like I just talked about. Can you use a discount code as well as the credit? Yes, absolutely you can. Did my old rewards points get transferred? I have worked on this really hard to make sure that anybody that had a balance in our old rewards program has that same balance. And for that point, how many points in the old system equaled $1? 200 rewards points in the old system equaled $1 in the new system. And we actually migrated it all on December 1st, 2021. And any points that you had not redeemed should be transferred. Now, in the off chance that they didn't get transferred, we do have a dump of the old rewards program, you can contact customer service. They can look you up and make sure that you're added. And that brings up another thing. What if you did redeem points for a discount code and you haven't used that discount code yet? Does it still, yes, it's still active. You can absolutely still use that discount code, and it'll still work. Can I use part of my credit on an order and save the rest for later? Unfortunately, no. Not unless the order is for smaller than your total rewards balance. And can you apply multiple credit codes? Actually, you can. If you have, like I said, an actual gift card from Keto Chow, again, you got it, somebody gave it to you for Christmas, you can apply that as well as your credit. So that's about it. That covers most of the common questions that people have. Again, oh, well, it still applied it, even though I took it out. Whatever. Oh, it's because it's got the, that's what it is. It still really wants to apply that gift card. Anyway, and again, don't share that code with anybody, the one that shows up down in here, because, well, as you see, even though I was checked out, in fact, let's just go ahead and do this. Let's go check out. You'll see that I don't have that card applied. I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and I'm going to steal money from Juan Paco Pedro Lamar. So don't give that code out. That about covers it. So if you do have any questions, please contact our customer service department. They should be able to help you out. And that's it.